Hey everybody, welcome on back to the Armored Pig. Today we're going to be going over and reviewing the January 2023 Critical Dice XL Endless Bag of Dice. One of my favorite subscriptions are I physically get something every month. 2 sets of dice delivered, plus probably a little something extra. So, I'll just dump everything out here, and I'll toss the package. So we have the Spellbook dice and the Magic Missile dice. On the right, I think this is the Spellbook, and on the left, I think is the Magic Missile. It's kind of hard to tell, they're both purple, but it's the lighter purple on the left there. But we also get the Arcane Tradition Wizard button on their series. So here we are, we're looking at the Spellbook dice. They are pretty slick if you ask me. You can see right through them. At one angle, they look pretty clear. At another, you get that purplish pink look to them. But either way, with the black ink on there, very easy to read in my opinion. So you can kind of check out that D20 right there and all this glory. So, what do you guys say? We give them a roll. Oh yeah, there we go. Kind of hard to read actually. Now, the Magic Missile dice. Again with the cool font, Critical Dice. Very well done. I love the gold ink on the purple. High school color, mascot, stuff like that. It reminds me. But just a really cool overall. And check this out. That clear mixed in with the opalescent white, blue, and the purple. Chef's kiss. So, I think they're gorgeous. This by far is my favorite set of the two. Let's give them a listen. That one almost didn't stop. Not too bad. So, we got the Spellbook dice there, and the Magic Missile dice there. All in all, worth the money. Hey guys, I really appreciate everybody watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Up here on the left here in a couple seconds, you're going to be able to see my social media accounts. There they are. And if you do subscribe, like I'm asking there on the right, make sure you ring the bell so you're notified of new content being dropped. Thanks, and we'll talk to you later.